Hi everyone and welcome to Flying Fox English. Today we're going to learn 10 idioms to help you sound more natural in work and business situations. Now, if you don't already know about my channel, I help people reach the B2, C1 and C2 levels in English. So that's from intermediate to advanced level English. So to help me create more free content for you guys, please subscribe, like and share and comment. Tell me about any other idioms or phrasal verbs or grammar points that you want to know and learn about. Okay guys, let me tell you a little bit about myself if you don't already know. My name's Ruth. I'm a native English speaker. I was born in New Zealand and I've been teaching for more than 15 years. So I've been teaching exam English and business English, my two passions. I now live and teach in Italy. So let's get to our 10 idioms. Business idioms to help you sound more natural in work and business situations. Okay, so idiom number 1 is to pull your weight or to pull your own weight. Okay, so this basically means to do your share of the work, or to work as hard as the others in a group. Let's see an example. Jack needs to start pulling his weight on this project if he wants to keep his job. So, in other words, Jack needs to start doing his share of the work or working as hard as the others in the group if he wants to keep his job. Okay, idiom number 2 is to get the ball rolling. So if you get the ball rolling, it means to start an activity or a process. So let's see an example. To get the meeting started, she got the ball rolling by asking a few questions. Okay, our next idiom is to call it a day. So to call it a day means to stop work or to stop an activity. So let's see an example. I think we've covered a lot in this meeting, so let's call it a day. So in other words, let's stop working for today. Our next idiom is a safe bet. So a safe bet is a certainty. So a safe bet originally referred to a horse in a horse race that was expected to win the race. So it was a certainty. Here's an example. The department felt that she was a safe bet for the account manager position. So the department felt that she was the best candidate for the job, obviously because she had the right experience. Our fifth idiom for today is to learn the ropes. Okay, so when you learn the ropes, it just means you learn the basics of something, usually for a new job. So here's an example. I'm learning the ropes in my new job. So I'm learning all the necessary and basic skills of my job. Okay, so the next idiom is to go the extra mile. So to go the extra mile means to do more than what people expect of you. Here's an example. To give our customers the best experience, we go the extra mile. Our next business idiom is to corner the market. So when you corner the market, you dominate a market. So an example of this is Amazon dominates the online retailing market. Our next business idiom is red tape. Red tape means excessive bureaucracy or adherence to rules or formalities. So let's see an example. The new law is going to create a lot of red tape. So here's a little extra information. The term comes from the actual red tape used to bind the official documents in colonial America, so many years ago, and in Great Britain around the same time. The next idiom is smooth sailing. Okay, we use smooth sailing to describe a situation when success is achieved without difficulties. So here's an example. When our biggest competitor went out of business, it was smooth sailing for our business. Okay, so our last idiom is by the book. So when a person or a company does things by the book, it means to do things exactly according to rules or the law. An example of this is we told our auditors that we do everything by the book. So we do everything in our business according to the rules and according to the law. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching. And I really hope this helps you sound more natural in work and business situations. And not only, you can use these in everyday English too. So remember, if this video helped you and you want to see more free content, please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and comment below, as I said before, any grammar points, idioms, phrasal verbs that you want to see. See you next time.